Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how I do my makeup. Mom is not there, but I got some of her makeup. And first we start with some moisturizing cream. Look guys. And this is compact powder, and I'm gonna put it on. Look. Now I'm gonna use some blush. Let me just show you how. They're a bit of balls, but look at the sponge. I'm just gonna use this. Look at that. Look at that. I just don't want to chop those balls. Look at the eyeshadow. And I'm gonna make some smoky eyes. And this. Now I'm gonna comb my eyebrows. Look at that. This is the brush, this is the comb. Now we'll put some lipstick. Look, and here's the lid for it. Now we'll put this one. Here's the lid. Look, here's the lid for it. And that's what it looks like. And first, we take a teeny bit. And put it on the lips. It gets a bit sticky sometimes, but that's okay. Because that's lip gloss. It's lip gloss. I also have a peach one, but I might just put a little bit of this too. That's what it looks like. That should be quite enough. And now That's enough. Now the perfume. Oops, I'll just... Now, let's dry my hair. Thank you guys.